Hey everyone, it's Bailey with Twiddy & Company, here to introduce you to Haven for 10 2, J10991. This is a 10-bedroom oceanfront home in the Whalehead community of Corolla with a private pool, elevator, theater room, and some wonderful views of the ocean. Let's go take a look. From the third floor living room, be able to have great views of the ocean, as well as from the third floor oceanfront deck, looking out over the pool area and great views of the beach there as well. Another great feature of this home is the large second floor oceanfront deck with plenty of space and unobstructed views of the ocean.